Good day, Junior Techies. We are going to look at Chapter 7, Activity 3, Part B. Make sure before you look at this video that you've done Part A. Required, refer to information A to answer question 3.6 up to question 3.9, and then for question 3.10, you need to refer to information B. So if we look at what is the information given, information A is an extract from an audit report, and information B is again an extract from a news article. Looking at question 3.6. Who must ensure that the financial statements are prepared and presented at the annual general meeting? That is the responsibility of the directors, the management, the CEO, or the CFO. CEO, Chief Executive Officer, CFO, Chief Financial Officer. Question 3.7. Choose the correct word from those in brackets. Write the answer next to the question number and explain your choice. Steinhoff International Holdings received a qualified, unqualified, or disclaimer of opinion audit report. So if we now look at the extract from the audit report, it specifically says, we do not express an opinion on the consolidated and separate financial statements for the year ended 30 September 2020. Basis of opinion, material uncertainty related to the going concern, material uncertainty in respect to litigation, audit evidence, we were unable to obtain sufficient and appropriate audit evidence regarding to the sale. So they've provided reasons for the basis of their opinion. This type of audit report is regarded as a disclaimer. Remember, there are 4 options. This one, because they do not express an opinion on the consolidated and separate financial statements. This is how we identify the type of audit report in this case, which is a disclaimer. A disclaimer means a disaster. No company wants this type of audit report. Question 3.8, material uncertainty relating to going concern. Now, what does that term going concern refer to? This means that the company's financial statements are prepared on the assumption that it will continue operating in the foreseeable future. Remember that going concern is one of your GARP principles. So the auditors identified that there's uncertainty with regards to if the company will continue operating in the foreseeable future. As a shareholder, what concerns would you have regarding this audit report? Give an explanation. So the first thing is, this is bad publicity, negative point against the image of the company and the CEO. As I said before, it's a disaster. It could affect the share price and demand for shares. There's possibility of fraud, mismanagement occurring in the business. Question 3.10, refer to the information B. Provide a brief explanation of the words or statements underlined in the news article. So if we look at which is underlined, we've got CEO, we've got financial sector, conduct authority, and we've got insider trading. So we are going to look at each one of those. What is an explanation of that? So if we first look at CEO, it's the highest ranking person in a company. They are responsible for expanding the company, driving profitability, improving the share price, manages the overall operations of a company. Enhance the efficiency and integrity of financial markets. So those are just some of the functions of explanation of a CEO. If we look at Financial Sector Conduct Authority, they promote fair customer treatment by financial institution, provide financial education and promote financial literacy, assist in maintaining financial stability. The last one, what is insider trading? Insider trading is deemed to be illegal when the material information is still non-public, and this comes with harsh consequences, including both potential fines and jail time. And if you look at this article, this is what it's all about. The CEO was accused of insider trading, and they are looking at prosecuting him. He was fined 122 million rand by the market regulator. So insider trading is material that is non-public information, that is defined as any information that could substantially impact the stock price of that company. This concludes part B of activity 3. So make sure again, part A focuses more on the corporate governance. There's a lot of theory that you need to make sure that you study. And part B focused more on audit report, identifying if it is a qualified, unqualified, or disclaimer. This is what you can expect in an exam or in a test. I want to leave you with this quote: there are no shortcuts to any place worth going. Next, we're going to look at activity 4. Hope you have a wonderful day.